Welcome to the Pearson Vue tutorial. In Google or Edge, search for Pearson Vue WAPS. Click on Create Account. You will enter first name, last name and DOD number. Please read and agree to the terms. Your address, phone numbers and other information will not be accurate. Please do not be concerned. Create a unique username that you will easily remember. Create a password, then retype it. You will need to create 3 security questions and answers. Please remember these in the event you forget your username or password. You will be able to log in on test day using this information. Click Finish. Exit out of Pearson Vue and try to log back in using the username and password you just created.